Ladies and gentlemen, car enthusiasts, and people who think their Prius in sport mode is competition. Let's talk about the 2025 Mustang Shelby Super Snake. This thing isn't just a Mustang. No, the Super Snake is basically a Mustang that went to the gym, took some questionable supplements, flexed in the mirror too long, and now claims to be a superhero. Built by Shelby American, it's rocking over 830 horsepower thanks to a Whipple supercharger. Because, let's be real, subtlety is for minivans, and the body. Forget stock. It's got a wide-body kit, carbon fiber all over, custom suspension, unique wheels, and a Shelby-tuned exhaust so loud it'll have your neighbors filing noise complaints before you even get out of the driveway. Now, Ford could have stopped there, but nope. They decided to go full Shelby. The interior has custom seats and Shelby logos everywhere, just in case you wake up mid-drive and forget who built this monster. And the name, Super Snake, sounds like a Marvel villain. You don't drive this car, you unleash it. It doesn't accelerate, it time travels. Step on the gas, and instead of 0 to 60, it feels like you just rotated the Earth backwards a couple degrees. Here's the truth. The Dodge Demon might talk big. The Camaro ZL1 might puff its chest. But the Super Snake? It just shows up, revs once, and suddenly everybody else remembers. They left the oven on at home. So let's be honest, this isn't a car for the faint of heart. This is for people who think MPG stands for more power guaranteed. It's for folks who believe a supercharged V8 is better therapy than a psychologist. So to the 2025 Shelby Super Snake, we salute you. The only car that's part muscle, machine, part reptile, and 100% guaranteed to make your tires and your neighbors scream.